In this example website, this is built through a native tab functionality, and what actually happens is on mouse hover, it switches between the tab items. In this case, it's a background video. But what's amazing is if I actually put my mouse outside of that tab menu, it remains in that specific background video or tab item. So let's go ahead and build this in Webflow. Right now, I've just set up a simple tab. So we have 3 different tabs inside the tab menu with 3 different content. So if I go ahead and just preview this, this is tab 1, this is tab 2, and this is tab 3. And if I actually preview the site, it's not going to let me change tabs when I hover my mouse. All we need to do is just add 1 line of custom code. So we can go ahead and put this anywhere in the site. So I'm going to go ahead and add an embed. I've actually made a tutorial in the past of where to add custom code, but in this case, it's going to be a code embed. I'm going to go ahead and drop in my code. This is targeting all Webflow tab link, this specific class right here, which is already predefined by Webflow. And it's saying when the mouse is hovered over it, this is going to click the tab essentially. So if I hit save and close, this isn't going to work in the preview mode, but if we actually publish the site, everything should be working. So I'm on the live site, and if I hover my mouse, you can see everything is working. And again, the fantastic thing is I don't have to click on it. And if I put my mouse over that specific button, it remains in that specific tab, which is super, super cool. And this comes in very, very handy in situational opportunities. I hope you guys found this video super helpful. I've also made previous tutorials on tab functionality, so feel free to check it out right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. May peace be with you.